First up, we need a brain. We're importing linear regression. Think of this as drawing a straight line through a scattering of dots. It looks at the relationship between how hard a task is and how long it takes, then draws a line to predict future tasks. Here is our study HQ. This class wraps up our machine learning model, our data, and our logic into one neat package. We kick things off with a cheat sheet. We give the model some dummy data, X is difficulty urgency, Y is hours, so it isn't totally blank when we start. We also set a trained flag to false, we can't predict until we learn. This is how we make the AI smarter. Every time you finish studying, you feed the real data into the system. It's like telling a coach, hey, that math homework actually took me 3 hours. The more you add, the better it gets. The aha moment. The .fit command tells the computer to look at all the patterns in your difficulty and urgency data. It effectively learns your study speed instantly. Now for the magic trick. You give it a new assignment's difficulty and deadline, and it uses the pattern it learned to estimate exactly how long you'll need. Notice the safety check? It won't guess if it hasn't studied your data yet. Let's gamify it. This function takes your average study hours and turns it into a productivity score out of 100. It's a fun little motivator to keep your numbers up. A quick look at your logbook. This loops through your history list so you can see exactly what you've accomplished so far. The control center. This loop keeps the app alive, waiting for your command. It connects all those individual features into a usable application. And action. We create the planner and launch the menu. One line of code to start the whole journey.